Hello astrology lovers. In this video I will talk on predicting raid. A person suffers trauma due to raid when any investigating agency comes to a conclusion after analyzing preliminary investigation report that a person might have committed an unlawful act. This act may be misappropriation of funds, forgery of document, forgery of negotiable instrument, disproportionate assets, fraudulent sale, purchase of shares, unlawful professional activities like prostitution, gambling, speculation, or criminal acts, etc. The trauma due to raid is indicated by the eighth cusp. The person will suffer the trauma as per the cause for which his premises is raided. This is indicated by the linkages or linking cuspal position whose subsublord involves the 12th cusp through its star and commits with 8th cusp through its sublord. Studying promise. So before we understand this, we have to first study promise from rectified chart or horary chart. The subsublord of Lagna and 12th cusp should establish linkages through their stars, lord and sublord as below to promise raid. So if star involves 12 commits with 8th and it involves 1 and 12 and commits with 8th. The subsublords of the subsublords of the Lagna and 12th cusp should be in favorable cusp position with respect to 12th cusp. The client generally indicates the cause of his or her fear for raid. The subsublord of the cuspal position pertaining to the cause of his or her fear should also establish linkages through its star lord and sublord as mentioned below. So if star lord involves 12th commits with 8th, star lord involves 8th commits with 12th, star lord involves 1 and 12 commits with 8th, and star lord involves 8th and commits with 1 and 12. For example, if a person has done some fraud in sale, purchase of shares, the subsublord of 5th cusp should establish linkages through its star lord and sublord. Invariably, the raid is conducted by the government agencies. Thus, 10th cusp subsublord should also establish linkages through its star lord with 12th cusp, and the sublord of the subsublord will indicate what for the native is put to the trauma of raid. The nature of agency will depend upon the nature of the subsublord of the 10th cusp. So if first cusp is connected, then involvement in secret activities. If second, then non-disclosure of true incomes, spurious currency. Third, forgery of documents. Fourth, disproportionate assets. Fifth, fraudulent sale, purchase of share, gambling, speculation, entertainment place used for unlawful activities. Sixth, sale, purchase of stolen goods or spurious drugs. Seventh, secret troubles caused by partner. Eighth, criminal acts, fathers, wills, forgery, bribe, unpaid taxes as per rules, etc. Ninth, plagiarism in research work, treachery and deception to newly acquainted person. 10th, misconduct or misuse of official position to cause government's loss. 11th, misappropriation of funds, criminal acts of elder, co-born or friend. And 12th, secret activities. Who levels allegations? Third cusp from any cusp represents the cusp of communication. Note the subsublord of which cusp involves the 12th cusp through its star lord and commits to 8th cusp, or a favorable position to 12th cusp through its sublord. Now count 3 cusps backward. The cusp which that we will reach represents the person or the institution that has leveled allegations. The allegations are true or false are judged from the nature of the subsublord blended with the nature of the sign that rises on the cusp, whose cuspal subsublord has involved the 12th cusp and also the sign occupied by the cuspal subsublord. I appreciate you took time to watch this video, and if you found this video useful, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, as I will upload more talks on this topic. If you have any questions or queries, then please feel free to connect with me with the information mentioned in the description box. I wish you have a wonderful day and stay safe.